Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how we can install Python in our system and use it inside our Visual Studio Code. So first of all we have to open any browser. So I am opening my browser and go to search icon and click install Python on Windows, or you can search any of the operating system you have. So install Python and then just click and go to this download Python page. I will also attach this link in my description. So click this and you have to go to this download page and select your operating system. So suppose you have Mac, you can go with Mac. If you have Windows, you can go to Windows. So I have Windows, I will go into this and click Windows, and you have to select the Python version which you want to install in our system. So suppose I want to install Python 3.13.13 and go to this download Windows installer and click it. So just download it and my Python is downloaded. I will just click it and I will get this pop-up to install. And don't forget to check this box like add Python ext to path and use admin privilege when installing Python, and just click install now. So one pop-up will come and you are like, do you want to install or allow this app to make changes to your device? You have to just click yes and move forward. So now the Python installation is started. So it will take some time to install, depends on your system configuration, like how big is your RAM or how is your processor. So let's wait for 2 minutes for installing. So now my Python is installed successfully. You just close it, and if you want to see if my Python is installed or not, just go to your PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, open it and click, just give this command python dash dash version, and if it will be installed successfully, you will get the version of your Python. So yeah, my Python is installed in my system. I will close it, and now I am going to show you how we can use Python inside our VS Code. So open VS Code in our system and go to this extension option you will get in VS Code, extension, and search here Python. I've already searched Python and go here. So here I have already installed in my VS Code. If someone is new, so you will get an option to install it. So just click it and the Python will be installed. So yeah, my Python is installed in our system. Now I will show you how we can write any Python program and run it inside the VS Code. So click this plus icon. I basically create one file name Python, like I will write a simple Python like to add to program, add.py file. Okay, and now I will write a program like I'm taking number one is equal to int, input the first number, like this extension is giving, put the second number, sum, and save it, and just click on this icon and you have to get an option and open in integral terminal. So you will get this path in the terminal. So you have to just write a command like python, and then you have to give the file name which you want to run. Like suppose my file name is add.py. So and just enter. So enter the first number I am entering, enter the second number, 12. So the sum is 24. So yes, now I have installed Python in my system and I can use it inside my VS Code also. So thank you. And if you like the videos, then do like it, and if you find this helpful, share it and also subscribe. And if you want to suggest anything, feel free to comment it